By default, Excel tries to print everything on your active sheet that contains data. This often includes a random formulas you typed far away, hidden columns or rows, unwanted blank spaces, your data being split awkwardly across multiple pages. This is where precise print control comes in. Excel gives you powerful tools to control exactly what gets printed and how it looks on paper. By mastering setting the print area and utilizing the page layout view, you'll transform your printing headaches into perfectly polished, print-ready documents every single time. These skills are not just about saving paper. They are essential for your MOS certification and crucial for effectively sharing your Excel insights in a tangible format. The print area. The print area is a rectangular drawing of a precise box around exactly what you want Excel to print. Anything outside this box will be ignored. Using it is a way of telling Excel, print only this section, nothing else. Using the print area ensures that only relevant data is printed. It prevents printing unnecessary blank pages or unrelated information. It keeps your printed reports and documents clean and easy to read. It is a frequently tested skill for managing print output. Setting your print area. To set your print area, follow these steps. 1. Open an Excel sheet and enter some data in cells or copy and paste some data. 2. Select your desired print area. Click and drag your mouse to select the range of cells you want to print, e.g., A1, D10. 3. Set the print area. Go to the Page Layout tab on the ribbon. In the Page Setup group, click Print Area. Choose Set Print Area. A faint dashed line will appear around your selected range, indicating that this is now your defined print area. 4. Test it. Go to File, then Print, or press Ctrl+P. Notice that only the data in the selected range is visible in the preview. The data in other areas will be ignored. Clearing the print area. If you later want to print the entire sheet again, or define a new print area. 1. Go to the Page Layout tab. 2. Click Print Area. 3. Choose Clear Print Area. Observe that the dashed line disappears. Adding to print area. What if you have two non-contiguous sections of data you want to print, but nothing in between? You can set both sections as print areas. To do this, 1. Select the first range, e.g. A1 to D10. 2. Go to Page Layout on the ribbon under Page Setup group, select Print Area, then Set Print Area. 3. Now select the second range, e.g. A15 to E25. 4. Go to Page Layout on the ribbon under Page Setup group, select Print Area, then Set Print Area. Notice that when you go to File, then Print, both ranges will be printed, each starting on a new page. Excel treats them as separate print jobs within the same command. Using Page Layout View. While Normal View is great for data entry, Page Layout View is your secret weapon for visualizing exactly how your spreadsheet will look when printed. It literally shows you the sheet as if it were on paper, complete with margins, headers, footers, and page breaks. The Page Layout View enables you to see page breaks, margins, headers, and footers in real time. Easily adjust column widths or row heights to prevent data from splitting awkwardly across pages. Edit headers and footers directly in context. Make print-specific adjustments quickly. Exploring Page Layout View. In the Page Layout View, you can adjust margins and work with headers and footers in real time. Let's explore the Page Layout View. Switch to Page Layout View. To switch to the Page Layout View, do the following. Go to the View tab on the ribbon. In the Workbook Views group, click Page Layout. Alternatively, click the Page Layout View icon on the status bar at the bottom right of your Excel window. It looks like a small page with margins, usually the middle of the three view icons. Your sheet will now look like individual pages, with gray areas representing margins. You can see the rulers for precise measurements. Headers and footers will be visible at the top and bottom of each page. Adjusting margins and page breaks visually. You can easily adjust margins in the page layout view. For example, do the following. To adjust margins, hover your mouse over the gray margin areas until you see a double-headed arrow. Click and drag to adjust margins directly on the page. To adjust column widths and row heights, adjust these as you would in the normal view, but now you can instantly see how they affect the page layout. With these adjustments in place, you will clearly see where your content breaks onto the next page. If a column is cut off, you can adjust its width or the margin to fit it better. Working with headers and footers in context. In Page Layout View, you can directly click into the header and footer areas, top and bottom of each page, to type text or insert elements like page numbers, dates, or file names. This is often more intuitive than using the dialog boxes. To return to Normal View, go to the View tab. Under Worksheet Views, select Normal. Alternatively, click the Normal View icon on the status bar, the leftmost of the three view icons. Take note of the following best practices. Always switch to Page Layout View or at least use the Print Preview, Ctrl+P, for a final check before printing. It saves paper and frustration. Use the Page Break Preview view to quickly adjust where your content breaks onto new pages. You can drag the blue dashed lines to modify automatic page breaks. Remember that setting the print area is per sheet. If you have data on Sheet 1 and Sheet 2, you need to set the print area on each sheet independently if you want to control them both. By mastering setting the print area and utilizing the Page Layout View, you'll ensure that only relevant data and pages of your worksheet are printed, and waste is effectively controlled.